Why did the football legend dive into the world of YouTube? Simple. He wants to connect with us, his fans, like never before. Behind-the-scenes footage, exclusive interviews, workouts, and even his favorite snacks. Ronaldo's channel has it all. In just a few weeks, he's already racked up millions of subscribers. Think about it. We're not just watching a football icon, we're getting a backstage pass to his life. So if you haven't checked it out yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and help me grow my channel too. Trust me, you don't want to miss this.